Hello, this is channel Race, and this video will be a unboxing video of my new Workstation mini PC. So I bought it for about 400 euros. So at the time of recording it costs about 400 to 500 euros depending on where you buy. So I bought this from AliExpress. So here you can see the specs. So basically I bought this PC to work with Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, to make content like motion graphics for selling on sites like Adobe. And this one has quite a low power consumption compared to my old Workstation PC. So this has a Ryzen 6 8550H, and my old PC had first generation Ryzen 7. And when I was rendering After Effects motion graphics, it was taking quite a lot of electricity. So this hopefully should be much lower on power consumption, and also faster. The CPU should be faster, about 50% compared to my old Ryzen. So here you can see it has two USB at the back, DisplayPort, HDMI, 2 LAN ports, and USB Type-C and power connector. And at the front we have also USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 I think, and we also have Oculink, and with a connection. With that connection you can connect external GPU, and it should work at full speed also. Yeah, so it's quite nice, tiny PC, very small. So here you open up the lid like this, a small fan. Let's open up and see what's inside. So basically I pre-ordered this with 512 gigabytes of SSD M.2 and 16 gigs of RAM DDR5. You can order it without SSD and RAM, and you can order it with 1 terabyte and 32 gigs of RAM, for example. So it's very easy to open it and do the upgrades. So here we have a pre-installed M.2 drive, 512 gigabytes, and it came with Samsung memory also, 2 sticks of DDR5 Samsung memory, and we also have second M.2 slot so we can put another M.2 NVMe drive and expand the storage. So here is my old desktop which I work with. So all content I am making all content with this PC. It's quite old now, and as you can see there is quite a size difference. So this small PC is smaller than the PS2 of my old desktop. So here we go, a Cinebench R15. So it's quite faster than my old Ryzen 7. And now a single core performance. Also almost double the speed of single core performance. So a little gaming with integrated GPU on this tiny machine. At the time of release it was probably the fastest iGPU, and it's called Radeon 680M. So this game is Battlefield 1, online multiplayer also, and also the game is not new, but it was quite demanding for the time that it was released. So I'm playing on 1080p, getting about 60 FPS, but it still drops a little bit, but overall it feels very smooth. Even if it drops to 50, it's still very playable and very smooth. And okay, so if you want to buy this PC, you can find a link in video description. I bought it from AliExpress, and also I will leave my affiliate link. So if you buy, of course, I will be getting a few pennies from the affiliate link. So you find my link in video description. If you want to support me, you can use it. And okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.